Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create records in Salesforce Lightning. Creating new records is a fundamental task, and Salesforce provides a straightforward process. We will focus on the most common and efficient ways to get your data into the system. Understanding these methods will help you maintain accurate and up-to-date information, ensuring your team has the necessary details at their fingertips for effective operations and decision-making. The most direct way to create a new record is by using the New button. You'll find this button prominently displayed on object home pages or within related lists on other records. For instance, to create a new account, simply go to the Accounts tab and click New. If your organization uses different record types, like customer account versus partner account, you'll select the appropriate one with just one click before filling out the details. Once the record creation form appears, you'll see a series of fields designed to capture all relevant information. Pay close attention to any fields marked with a red asterisk, as these are mandatory and must be filled out before you can save. Take your time to accurately input all the details, from names and addresses to specific dates or values. After reviewing your entries, simply click the Save button, and your new record will be successfully created in Salesforce. Beyond the New button, Salesforce offers even more efficient ways to create records. Quick actions, found on individual record pages, let you swiftly create related records, like a new contact directly from an account. For creating records from virtually any screen, global actions are incredibly useful. Just look for the plus sign icon in the top navigation bar. Clicking it reveals a menu of global actions, allowing you to create common records like leads or tasks with just a few clicks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.